I hit this issue to date, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to lock your Charles Schwab card for any reason, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Charles Schwab app. Launch the app on your mobile device. Make sure you reload into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account management options. Step 3. Select Card Management. In the Account Settings, look for the Card Management option. This is where you can manage your debit and credit cards. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the card you want to lock and tap on the Lock Card button. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure your card is secured. Note, if you don't see the button, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Verify card status. After locking your card, check the status in the Card Management section. It should indicate that your card is locked. Now you're all set. Locking your card is a quick and easy way to protect yourself from unauthorized use. If you need to unlock it later, just follow the same steps.